Pantri. So Pantri, we're trying to automate grocery replenishment. So we're in a new paradigm in the kitchen, as you're all aware. So we've got appliances that have now got new sensors on board and connectivity baked in. At the same time, we've seen this huge shift with grocery retailers going on to online purchase and also front door delivery. In the meantime, artificial intelligence has arrived. And the good news is that it's been commoditized. So small startups like mine have access to exactly the same resources as large industry titans, all thanks to these guys here on the left, all for a small monthly fee. The only trouble is, this is currently what the world looks like. So we've got all these appliance manufacturers trying to talk to all these retailers, all the different languages, standards, APIs, and updates. The whole thing just isn't working, and that's been validated further with feedback I've had from some of you guys yesterday. With Pantri, what happens is this. So all of a sudden now, you've got a single API endpoint, and both appliance manufacturers and retailers can deal with a single point that's agnostic, and they can concentrate on building their businesses and concentrate on what they're good at. So with our initial iteration, what we've done, we've built a dashboard, and inside the dashboard, we assign devices, we associate products to those devices, we create reorder instructions depending on what the product and the device is, and then we connect up to your chosen grocery retailer. We hope that eventually this will be built into appliance manufacturers' own dashboards and retailers' dashboards, but for the time being, this is where we're at. And so literally, we just receive appliance usage data, apply a bit of Pantri Purple Magic in the middle, and then send off an order to existing grocery fulfillment networks across the globe. At the moment, this is what we look like. So we've got developer connections with some of these guys over on the left. I hope you recognize a few of them. We're also in discussions with several multinational appliance manufacturers to form more deeper relationships with them. And then we've got these two companies at the bottom. Now, these are actually two companies that we've set up as little startups. We're in development with them at the moment. The first one is M Appliances. Now, M Appliances is really interesting. So this is our first product. It's called A Bit Pushy. I imagine you're all familiar with the Amazon Dash button. Well, this is our version, and it connects straight up to Pantri. Rather than it being a product that you buy off the shelf, you actually make it yourself, and it's all open source. So we're hoping that with this and other products that we've come along, we're going to inspire makers and also entrepreneurs to start making their own appliances in the future. And then we've got the Shenzhen Coffee Co. So this is a concept at the moment. We're heading off to China later in the year, and we're going to look to partner up with a proprietary coffee pod manufacturer, put our tech in, and connect it through to Pantri so that it'll automatically reorder your coffee pods. On the retailer side, we're currently connected through with Tesco. So Tesco, UK retailer, as I know, no doubt most of you are aware. We've also got an EU-based retailer and two US retailers that we've got APIs to, which we'll be announcing in due course. And then we've got these two here down at the bottom. So we've got Ted's Pet Food and Carrot Depot. Now, these are, again, two demo stores that we've set up in the office. And we've literally just gone down to our local grocery wholesaler, opened up an account, come back to the office. I imagine that most of you are familiar with Shopify, possibly with WooCommerce as well. It took us 2 days to get an online store up and running. We've built a connection through to the back end, through to Pantri, and we can actually, as a small retailer now, fulfill grocery items on the Pantri platform, connecting up to all these different devices. Finally, there's Pantri Marketplace, and with the Pantri Marketplace, that makes it even easier. That's an eBay-like experience. So sellers can literally take a photo, go onto our app, upload the product, and sell straight on. I don't need any technical knowledge or any IT overhead. So that's Pantri. At the moment, we're in invite-only testing. We're after manufacturers and retailers to come and work with us. Yeah, okay, thank you.